Morning everyone, how are you? I hope you're really well. Join me after the intro and let's do some pin unboxing. And let's do some pin unboxings from Tokyo, shall we? Did they do pins in Tokyo? Did they do mystery pins in Tokyo? They did. Join me the other side of the intro. You ready? Hit it, maestro! Guys, it's been a while, hasn't it? For anyone who's new and you just topped over, hi, I'm Karen, and yeah, it's gone crazy. For anyone who doesn't know, I do a personal shopping service and I do pickups from Primark, and I actually go to the largest Primark in the world, and I'm going every 4 days at the moment, and yeah, it's gone absolutely mad and it's crazy. And I just want to say, oh, for anyone who hasn't found it yet, I'll put it down here now, and that's the name of the Facebook group. And if you go on there and you click to join, then myself or one of the admins will approve you. And then in the albums, it's got all the things that they've got on sale in there, and you choose what you'd like and I pick it up. But go and read the rules, and there's a little video I've explained all the postage and charges and what have you. It's all in there, so read that first as well. But yes, but before we started, first of all, thanks for listening. Look, I'm wearing my t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. It is the t-shirt, and it fits. Yes, it does. And I just want to thank everybody in my group who's ordered off me. And I send messages. If I've missed anyone, I'm so sorry. As I'm doing it in the book, I'm trying to see, and I will thank you all individually as well. But amazing people. I mean, at the moment it is difficult going out, it is, hand on heart it is, and to go out shopping in the environment we're in, it's testing, shall we say, to say the least, because I'm going out, I've got one mask on, I've then got another mask on top to try and protect the life of the one underneath. I've then got one of these plastic shields, so I actually look like an alien in some ways. People laugh at me, but you know me, I'm like over my shoulder. But I've got that on. I've then got cotton gloves on to soak up the sheer perspiration, because wearing plastic gloves on top, your hands sweat. And you've got all of this paraphernalia on. I've got a big clipboard to go around with, and I cross things off, and I'm sanitising in between, and Phil then has to go and take the bags to the car while I carry on. And it is very difficult. So what my Facebook group are doing, it really moves me, and yeah, I've had several tears this past week. I have the thoughtfulness, and I'll just say it, shall I? Yeah, they're all putting tips and gratuities onto the orders, and it's I'm so grateful. I can't begin to tell you. I can't. And yeah, going out in such hard times, that really, it's like everyone's putting their arms around me, and it's very special. And I've got a wonderful group, so if you're not a member of the group, go and join them, because they're just wonderful people. I mean, everyone's got my back. It's like everyone's so protective of me, and it's lovely. We all have a trust, and we all have a friendship, and it's really special, really special. And if I'm asleep in bed, because don't forget, anyone in California, when it's like 3 in the afternoon to you, it's midnight for me. And yeah, I'm not much good at replying at midnight. So then, like, other members of the group jump on and reply and answer questions for me, and yeah, I'm incredibly blessed. We've just hit 1,500 members, and I never would have dreamt starting this, and it was just an idea I had in January. I got out of the shower, and you know, you're like, ooh, I'd like to help people, because I know how much I get fleeced in America when I buy things, the shipping and everything, I know that. And I thought, well, if I can offer a service where I can get people things they want and it's affordable, and I can put the orders together so they maximise their shipping rather than the shipping maximising us, because they really do, because all postal services really do it so that the first bit is the expensive bit, isn't it? The larger the box, it goes less and less, and so long as I keep it under a 2 kilogram box, it's the cheapest form of shipping, and I weigh everything and make sure we maximise that box so you minimise your shipping costs, if that makes sense. I know what I'm on about, and I'm sure you do. And once you've been through an order, it's so easy, but they're, yeah, really amazing people. So go and check out my Facebook if you haven't, and if you just want to do some shopping, or if you just want to be part of a wonderful group of people, go and check it out. But yeah, to my family, because that's what I class you all as now, thank you, thanks a lot, really, really means a lot. And yeah, so shall we move on? Pins from Tokyo, you ask? Am I telling porkies? I'm not telling porkies, but I didn't say they were Disney pins. Did you hear me say Disney? I didn't say they were Disney. Now don't go and switch off on me, because they're really, really unique. Now I put my glasses on so I can actually see, because all that time I was talking to this round black thing called a lens and I couldn't see you. Oh, there you go. I want some glasses without anything so that... Started off as reading glasses, yeah, we know how that went. Right, so then, I don't know if you remember, we went to Universal in Tokyo, and that video is up. I'm still putting them up all this time later, and I have to say, Disney Japan do not do mystery pins. They do not. No mystery pins, but Universal do, and they got these Harry Potter ones. So I bought a load of them, and I can't believe it's been a year. Seriously, guys. It has been a year. That's how busy I have been. I spent most of last summer over in America, and yeah, so blessed. And then yeah, I think I'm just trying to eke it out, because then there's not a lot of boxes at the corner at the minute. I've got to start doing some more subscription boxes. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, I've got some of these. So let's have a look at them. So this is a box, and it's a pin badge collection, and there's 10 badges we can get. And it's all of those. Now the fun thing is me trying to identify what it is as it comes out the box, because you know me. If I don't know what it is, I might just make it up. So then, how many boxes have we got? They're still in the bag. I haven't even took them out of the bag. So we have got 3, 6. See, I'm showing you my counting abilities now. 6, whoop, 9. How many did I make Phil buy me? 10, 11. Okay, I have got 12. I think I might have cut it a bit fine to get a full set. What do you think? Bit of fun, it doesn't matter, does it? Right, so first one. Oh, I did my nails last night. See, I did my nails because I knew I was recording, so I thought, well, I'm doing my own nails now. I'm doing dip nails, and I did think I'd record it on a video, but it takes about 2 hours, so I've got to figure out how I'm going to do that. Best thing ever, best thing ever. And right, the first one. Okay, now I know what this is. I think I don't know what it is, but I know the house. Is that good? It comes in this little plastic bag. So it's something to do with slithering, and look, it's got the old-fashioned pin backs. So it's got the old-fashioned ones. So let's put this on my little board. So there you go. So it's slithering. It's like a mirror. Now go on, tell me down below, is that anything to do specifically with slithering that it's on a mirror? And that was actually the last thing on the box, the last pin I should say. Right, so you ready? Next one. These little I'm so weak, aren't I? Feeble. Right, oh, right, okay. Now this, I wish it was a ruby. I do. Is your birth sign a ruby? Mine isn't. Mine's emerald green, and Phil's is diamonds. So it's that great big. Is that the bloodstone? Was there a bloodstone, or am I just dreaming that? Am I making it up as I go along? I think there was. I think. Do you know, we've had Disney Plus ever since it came out in the UK, which was March. It was around the 23rd of March, because it was about the time we went into lockdown. They released Disney Plus. I thought that was very kind of them. Do you want to know how many things I've watched on Disney Plus? I think I've watched 3 or 4 episodes of the Imagineer story. Yeah, that's been it. That's been it. I think sometimes life just takes you, even though we've been like sat doing nothing. I got another slither in. Oh, right, okay, so we've only got one more to complete this. Nice to complete this, wouldn't it? If not, I'll just have to go back. I have said that I really want to go back. The thing that I regret most about our trip is the fact that we only did a week. And oh, talk about a nutter. I booked it, and I booked, we've got the cup. We've got the cup. I booked it, and I booked the Disney tickets, and I booked 6 days worth of tickets. Now you might say, how can you do that, Karen? They only do them in 4s. So I did a 4 and a 2. They weren't linked, they just did a 4 and a 2. So I did that, and I thought, oh, while we're there, we'll go to Universal. So I bought the tickets, didn't look on the map, didn't realise it was the other side of Japan that's an island. I think, from memory, because you know, you try and forget some things, don't you? I think it was about £400 for the train ticket on a bullet train for 2 of us for a week, but we only did it one day to go, and it took us, oh crikey, I can't remember now. Was it about 4.5 hours? That seems to ring a bell for us to get there, get back, do the park on the same day. Yeah, that was a mistake, wasn't it? So next time I want to go a bit longer, and I want to go and see all the beautiful temples, and see the culture, and go to Mount Fiji. So yeah, I'd love to go for 2 weeks, but that's my plan. And I got another slither in. That's no good. Right, okay, so we've got no spares now. So come on, send me to your look. Anybody who's just tuning in will be going, what are you doing? Got to send me waves of look. Now, it takes a bit longer from Australia, but you've got to work harder, guys. Right. Oh, gosh, okay. Let's see what's in this one. It's a new one. It's a new one. So, yeah. And the parks are opening up, aren't they? How do you all feel about that? I've got very mixed feelings. Very mixed feelings. I don't actually know what this is. I have no clue what that one is. Do you know what that one is? I don't know what that is. I'm not even going to give it a guess. Yeah, I've got mixed feelings because the numbers are going up, aren't they? And my problem is that once they start opening flights up in the borders, if they start opening the flights and the borders, Florida is the tourist capital of the world. So everyone's going to go, and that's going to just affect everybody and affect all the locals. And so while I want it to be open and while I want to go, I want to be safe, and that's my worry for everybody who lives there. We're not going to do it, guys. I've got another double. That's no good. Come on, send me that look. Come on, lots of yes. What we got in this one? Oh. And I wish they were a little light instead of clear. They were the little normal black baggies we used to. Oh, but we got another new one. So we come close. And I don't know what this is. Have you ever unboxed pins and you haven't got a clue what they are? Right, so this one is, oh, it's a book. Could that be, did Tom Riddle have a book? Or am I dreaming that? You know, I don't know, put it on the wrong side, haven't I? Karen, put it on the wrong side. Gosh, girl. There you go. So that's what we've got so far. We've got 5. If you're wondering where I got this board from, it was gifted to me by Graham. It was gifted to me by Graham. Oh, I don't want to go in focus. There you go. It was gifted to me by Graham Crafters. And I'll put the link down in the description box below. And I've done many a box swap, and I've bought their pin boards because they're amazing. They're light, and but they're really durable, and they're so pretty. So yeah, go and check them out. Oh my. Now what's this? Oh my. It's the time thing, isn't it? And I don't know what it's called. What's it called? The time change? I don't know. It's it's an egg timer to me, just to be really honest. But there you go, you got time, and I don't know what it is. Guys. So yeah, But I did, and I loved Universal. The park was so vast. And when we do go back, we'd like to go for 3 days there. So 3 nights, 2 full days at least. They've still got Jaws there, can you believe it? And some things are different. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So if you've not watched it yet, go and check out that video. I'll link it at the end of this one if that helps. So we've got another one of them. We're not doing very well at all, are we? And I put it on the wrong side again. Honestly, I'm so out of practice, aren't I? Let's put it over. Right, so I can only possibly get 8, and we've got 2 boxes left. So, oh, I was just thinking we need muscles from Brussels. Remember Jean-Claude Van Damme? I haven't seen him lately. How is he holding up? Is he still rugged? Yeah, I've been locked in this house a long time. Right, so then we have the snake. So that could be Slytherin, but they all was it in the first or the second one they got all those big snakes in the what looked like a cellar thing? Everybody watching will be going on. Everyone watching will be going bang. So how do I break it? But we're not going to do this. And he only wanted to buy 10. He said, I'm only buying 10. I'm like, oh, go on, let me, you know, please let me have a couple more. Why bother? I've got another double. Oh well. Oh well. Which ones did we need? I've got another ruby, guys. Oh dear me. So that's what I ended up with. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? And that's the only mystery pins that they did in Tokyo. And it's the same for Disneyland Paris. Disney don't do mystery pins either. It's really strange, isn't it? So then, which ones was I missing? I was missing the Stitch, Ravenclaw, Eagle, and the Lightning Bolt. That's what I was missing. And I knew those. How clever is that? They were the easiest ones though, weren't they? Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, I really did. I've got a couple of collaboration videos I'm filming. One I'm filming straight after this. And then I've got one, and it's a cooking one. Remember the bit where I told you I don't cook? Yeah, and they asked me to do a cooking one. And what I'm going to do, you're going to have to watch it. I'll tell you quickly, but I think it goes out the 1st of July. Sorry, I'm leaving it a bit late, aren't I? Yeah, I think it's the 1st of July. And it's like Thanksgiving dinners. And because I'm in England, so I thought I'll cook something that is British through and through to me. And so, you know, you all go raving mad about the bread pudding in the Aloha restaurant. What's it called? Yeah, you know what I'm on about. That is not proper bread pudding. That is quite tasteless. I'm sorry, my opinion. Don't shoot me. That's tasteless. So I'm going to show you a proper bread pudding, and it's my mum's mum, who I never got to meet. She passed at 42, and I never got to meet her, and it's her recipe. So I'm going to do that, and by cooking it, of course, I'm going to have the pleasure of taste testing it on camera. That's going to be so sad. So yeah, I might have fallen off the dieting wagon anyway. Yeah, it's been a bit stressful going out and shopping, but yeah, so that's it. So thanks everyone. If you haven't already, please click subscribe at the end of the video, and you'll see some more unboxings, some trips, and just general fun. Oh, and Primark shopping ones as well I put on there as well. So thanks so much for watching. Be good, be kind, please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now everyone. Bye.